Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a hassle-free process to register for an M&T Bank account, step by step. Whether you're looking to open a personal checking account or a savings account, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the M&T Bank website. Begin by navigating to the official M&T Bank website. You can do this by typing M&T Bank into your search engine or directly entering the URL www.mtb.com. Step 2. Click on Open an Account. Once on the home page, look for the Open an Account option. This is usually highlighted prominently, so it should be easy to find. Step 3. Choose the account type. You will be presented with various account options. Decide whether you want a personal checking account, savings account, or another type of account. Click on the type of account that best suits your needs. Step 4. Review account features. Take a moment to review the features and benefits of the chosen account. This is important as it will help you understand any fees or minimum balance requirements. Step 5. Click Apply Now. After selecting your desired account, click the Apply Now button. This will take you to the application form. Step 6. Fill out your information. You'll need to provide personal information such as your full name, address, social security number, and contact details. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 7. Provide identification. You might be required to upload identification documents or verify your identity. Follow the instructions provided on the screen to complete this step. Step 8. Set up account preferences. Next, you will set up preferences for your new account, including online banking options, paperless statements, and any additional services you wish to include. Step 9. Review your application. Before submitting your application, take a moment to review all your information. Make sure everything is correct and double-check that you haven't missed any required fields. Step 10. Submit your application. Once you've confirmed that all details are accurate, click the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation email or message indicating that your application is being processed. Step 11. Wait for account approval. You will typically receive a response regarding your application status within a few business days. Once approved, further instructions on how to access your account will be provided. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated on more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy banking with M&T Bank.